If I can ask you an honest question, when was the last time you cleaned your pipes? All right, guys, just some maintenance information here. I've got my 21 Road King Special with the Fuel Moto Jackpot RTX Riot 2-in-1. There you can see it there. A little dirty, starting to get a little discoloration. I've had it on for, I don't know, almost a year. But looking at the coloring of the stainless steel, I decided it was time to clean them up a little, and then, let them gain their color again. You should be doing this. I don't know what the actual frequency is. Probably like around once a year or twice a year. But you see, it does get kind of grimy in there. See that right around that clamp. The bluing I don't mind so much, but once it starts getting a little rusty looking, to me that's when it's time. So if you haven't noticed, I already started the process here just so you can see the difference between what it looks like after you've cleaned it and before. Not a hard job. All you need is a red Scotch Brite pad. Wow, talking is hard. And some rubbing compound or aluminum polish, or metal polish of some sort. So I've got some Mother's mag and aluminum polish. This is safe for all metals. The key is you put a little on. Doesn't take much. And you're going to rub the pipe. Yeah. Side, Daniel-san. So you want to wrap around the pipe with the rub. You don't want to go this way. So I'll pick a spot, and this is just a total random spot right here. And I'll start working it in. And work around the pipe as much as you can. Protect the rest of the motor as much as you can from the polish. But as you can see, hopefully you can see, it doesn't take a lot of pressure either. Just gonna rub it in and let the pad do all the work. Maybe I need some more light over here. That might help you guys see what I'm talking about. So you see it's on there pretty good. This pipe is pretty blue, so I'm going to keep applying some. There's no good place for this light, so let's get this shit out of the way. Yeah, so I'm gonna put some on, and like I said, you're just gonna want to pick a spot. I don't recommend going like this and sliding as you're going. I recommend going like this. Work the spot for a little bit, and then move like this. Pick it up and move. And then afterwards you use a little brake part cleaner, something that dries real quick. Clean it off, and you'll see how much progress you've made, and whether or not you want to go back over it again. I'm just gonna. The tricky part is where it's close to everything else. Like I said, resist the urge to drag the pad up and down. Try to get up and move it. just try to get as good a job as you can. Like I say, you don't got to kill yourself. Let the pad do the work. I'll just go down the line here for you, show you, and then put the speed on. And with the power of the internet, we'll be done in a few minutes as opposed to the actual time. Some of the spots, like where it's welded, may need a little more detailed work. And just wrap around the pipe where you can. Unless you have it in you and you feel like taking your pipe off. Certainly an option. If you've got a day to kill, I guess. Or if you're just swapping them out or got them off for some other reason. Might be a good idea to do it then when you got them off. All right, and if you just want to see how good that was, I just spray it down, get as much of that stuff off, and then I'll take a rag and I'll just go over it in the same motion if you can. And there you go. So let's get some light. And you can see the difference. At least I think you can see the difference. From there to there. You can see that shine. When you get to here, it just kind of dulls out. So we're going to keep this going. I'll go over the pipe here and we'll just keep moving. That's all there is to it. Not rocket science. I think it's good. Makes your pipes look fresh again, especially if you're riding, a Softail or something where you don't have bags covering half your pipe or whatever. But worthwhile doing. Easy enough to do by yourself. The price of of everything you need is very cheap. You get the pads on Amazon. You get everything on Amazon. But you can get the pads, or you go to your auto parts store, get the pads, get the polish, get the brake pad cleaner, and your pipes will look good as new. So let's keep it going. Okay, so just real quick, with one pass, This is how it looks up until it splits into the muffler. That's probably going to be the easier part. It's not as bad as it was up here. But you'll see there's going to be spots that you probably want to go back over. You know, the bends can take a little more work. Any clamps like this can take work, you know, trying to get under the clamp. You know, maybe loosen it and get it out of the way if it's that big a deal. But I'm just doing this to show you guys here, you know, how much can be accomplished with just a little bit of time. So far so good. I'm happy with the way it's coming out. Let's keep going. Think it looks good. Not bad for about, I don't know, an hour work, if that. Everything came off pretty easy. Probably still 1 or 2 spots I'd like to go back over. But other than that, I think it looks great. So for everybody running stainless steel pipes, which is probably everybody, this is a quick and easy way to take care of them. Clean your pipes, guys. Keep them looking good. I hope you like this video. You know the routine. Like and subscribe. Help us out. And appreciate you guys stopping by and taking time out of your day to watch me do this stuff. Have a good one.